Today, I'll show you how to find your local Steam game files. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily access your game files whenever you need them. Whether you're looking to modify a game or simply back up your data, knowing how to locate your Steam files is essential for any gamer. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. Steam is a digital distribution platform where you can purchase, download, and play a wide variety of games. It's likely that you already have the Steam app installed, but if not, it's easy to download from their official website. Once you've got the app up and running, make sure you're logged into your account. This will give you access to your entire library of games. Next, navigate to the Library tab. You'll find this located at the top left of the Steam interface. Clicking on Library will show you a comprehensive list of all the games you currently own and have installed through Steam. This feature is useful for quickly accessing your favorite games and managing your collection. Now, select the game for which you want to find the local files. After selecting a game, look for the settings icon, which resembles a small gear. This icon is usually found near the game's title or alongside options like Play and Store. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various options related to your selected game. From the menu that appears, you'll want to click on Installed Files. This is where Steam stores all the data related to the game you've chosen. It's an essential hub for managing the files associated with your game, and accessing it will help you perform tasks like verifying the integrity of game files or moving them to a different drive. Finally, click on the Browse button. Once you do this, your computer's file explorer will open to the exact location of the game's local files on your hard drive. This is the folder where all the game's data, including executable files, saved games, and mods, are stored. From here, you can explore, copy, or modify the files as you see fit. It's incredibly helpful if you're looking to make custom modifications or troubleshoot problems with the game. And there you have it. You now know how to find your local Steam game files. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly useful for a variety of reasons. Whether you're a casual gamer or a modding enthusiast, having quick access to your game files can greatly enhance your gaming experience. Remember, always be cautious when modifying game files, as incorrect changes can sometimes lead to issues with the game itself. If you ever find yourself in a bind, Steam's built-in tool to verify the integrity of game files can help restore any missing or corrupted files. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and can now navigate Steam's file system with ease. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy gaming!